This is number 2B. Find f prime of 7. Stop, there's a period, I don't keep going. F prime of 7. So this is f. So to find f prime of 7, since I can use a calculator, I just take the derivative of this in my calculator at time equals 7. So I write on the paper, make sure I write f prime of 7 so they know what you're finding. And I just write down what the calculator told me. They didn't ask for units, but it's a good habit to write them down. Pounds per hour. That would be 1 point. So 1 point here. Using correct units, explain the meaning of f prime of 7 in the context of the problem. Make sure you get all the details here. You have to be very specific to make sure you get points on the AP test. So definitely I have to write the time I'm referring to. So at time equal 7 hours, that's a critical element. If you don't have that, you won't get this point. This green box is going to be worth 1 point. At time equals 7 hours, the rate, because we're taking the derivative of f. F is already a rate. So the rate at which customers are removing bananas, that's f. The rate at which customers are removing bananas, that's f. That rate is decreasing. That rate, these units are wrong, we got to fix that. That rate is going down by 8.21 pounds per hour every hour. Pounds per hour every hour. So the rate is whatever value the rate is, but the rate's going down by 8 pounds per hour every hour. That's 1 point for having that explanation. To help with those kinds of explanations, again, the back of the golden notes, so sheet 1 on the back, there's quite a few examples of, I shouldn't say quite a few, there are a few examples of that kind of writing that you have to give once in a while. Let's see, down here, I have an example of it. This one works. This one's talking about temperature. It's a little bit different, but it's somewhat similar. So anyway, that was worth 2 total points.